Welcome back to your English listening practice. Today, we have another mysterious story, The Empty House on Elm Street. Anna moved to a new city last month. She lived in an apartment near a long, quiet street called Elm Street. On Elm Street, there was a house that was always empty. It was big and old, with black paint and tall windows. People said the house had been empty for 50 years. Anna's neighbor, Mr. Davis, told her, "Don't go near that house, Anna. It is cold, very cold." Every evening when Anna came home from work, she saw one strange thing. A light was always on in the top window. One Saturday night, Anna decided to look closer. She walked slowly to the gate. The gate made a screaming sound when she touched it. She walked into the garden. The garden was full of tall, dead plants. The air felt heavy. Anna looked up at the top window. The light was on, but it was not a lamp. It was a small, blue light that moved slowly from side to side. Suddenly, the front door of the house opened slowly with a sound like a sad sigh. Anna heard a voice, very soft and very clear, say, "Close the door." Anna did not wait. She ran back to her apartment. The next day, Anna looked at Elm Street from her window. The empty house stood quiet and dark. But now she noticed something new. A small piece of white cloth was caught on the top of the black gate, exactly where she touched it last night. Anna packed her bags that day. She did not want to stay in a city where the empty houses talk.
Now let's practice your understanding. 1. What did Anna's neighbor tell her about the empty house? 2. What color was the light in the top window? 3. What new thing did Anna see on the gate before she left the city? I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice.